Hi there and welcome. As the title says, we are going to be making roasted cauliflower in the air fryer. The air fryer that I will be using is the Cooks Essentials 5.3 quart. On a side note, if you are not yet subscribed, please consider doing so and hit that bell icon. That way you will be notified whenever I post a new video. So with that, let's go ahead and get started. First thing we need to do is cut our cauliflower into florets. I'm going to start by pulling off the green leaves. Okay, I have the cauliflower all cut up. Now I'm cutting some of these into smaller pieces. I have some pretty big chunks here. We are ready to season our cauliflower up. First thing I'm going to add is 1 tablespoon of avocado oil. Go ahead and use the oil of your choice. Get all of the cauliflower coated in that oil. I have about 3 cloves of chopped garlic. Dump that right in. Now to this, I'm going to add about a teaspoon of kosher salt. The amount of salt is totally up to you. Now about a ½ teaspoon or so of smoked paprika. I'm going to give this a mix. I'm also debating on what else I want to add to this, if anything. I am going to go ahead and add a little bit more avocado oil, probably about a teaspoon. It seemed to need just a little bit more. That's better. You know what? Let's add a little bit of grated Parmesan cheese. I have about 2 tablespoons here. Give that a good mix, and then we'll get this into the air fryer. Okay, let's go pop this in. Okay, I'm starting this off for 12 minutes. Not sure how long this is going to take. And I have the temperature set to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Halfway through, which will be 6 minutes, we'll take a peek and see how they're doing. While I'm waiting for the cauliflower to finish up, I'm going to make a quick dipping sauce. I'm just going to make a sriracha mayo. So I'm going to take some mayonnaise. And add about 3 tablespoons. I'm going to add some sriracha hot chili sauce. About a tablespoon of that. And give this a mix. And that's it. Our 12 minutes is up. Let's take a peek. I'm going to give this another shake and let it go probably another 3 minutes and call it good. Another 3 minutes on 400 degrees, giving us a total of 15 minutes. These are looking good. I'm going to go ahead, plate them up, and we'll take a taste. All plated up, and we're ready to try this out. First of all, I don't know if it's just me, but this tastes a lot to me like a breaded squash. I can taste all them flavors in there, the garlic, smoked paprika, Parmesan. Let's try it out with the sriracha mayo. The sriracha mayo goes really good with this. It's got a little kick to it. I am really loving this. Absolutely delicious. If you're looking for more air fryer recipes, here is a few more you can check out next. And as always, I want to thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you next time.